You're craving oatmeal and a smoothie, make yourself an oatmeal smoothie bowl. I started by cooking 3 tablespoons of quick oats with about a 1/3 cup of water for about 1 minute, let it cool. Add a little milk to the blender, add the cooked oats, then add some frozen bananas. I always keep them on hand in my freezer. Some frozen mixed berries and then blend it until smooth. No need for sugar, the bananas are sweet enough. Then pour it into a bowl, top it with your favorite fruit. I just use the other half of the banana and some hemp seeds. This came out so delicious, it's nutrient dense and easy to make.
Let's make these chicken and chorizo taco boats for 248 calories each. Perfect for students. Let's go. Start by frying some diced chorizo for around 5 minutes to release the juices. Then grab some heck chicken sausages and slice them up into pieces like this before adding in with the chorizo and frying for a further 4 minutes until they start to brown nicely. Now add some diced onion, pepper and courgette and season with salt, pepper, garlic granules, smoked paprika and ground cumin. Stir that round and fry for around 5 minutes before adding in a tin of chopped tomatoes. Then simmer that for around 5 minutes to thicken the sauce. Once you've done that, grab some taco boats and spoon the mixture evenly across them all. Then top with some grated mozzarella before placing in the oven at fan 180 Celsius for around 8 to 10 minutes until golden brown and the cheese is melted. Don't forget to like and follow. Enjoy!
Best cheesy garlic bread on the planet. Boom. Parsley, olive oil, garlic. About 5 cloves. Get your parsley, garlic, and olive oil, about a 1/4 cup in the processor. Pulse a couple times till smooth. Perfect. Lay your loaf of bread across 2 pieces of tin foil. Slice it open, but keep it connected at the bottom. Butter all over first. Now the good stuff. Now smear it all over. Pecorino, sprinkle, close it, wrap it. Pop it in the oven, 400 degrees. Spread your mozzarella. Ready. Super hot. Oh my gosh, smells like heaven. Now the cheese. Like that. More pecorino, black pepper. Back until melted. Unwrapped. Done. This is unbelievable. Make it.
Let's try the TikTok trend making these crispy pesto eggs. Let's go. Start by spooning some pesto into a frying pan and then spread that around to make a thin layer. Once the pan is nice and hot, crack in 2 eggs and then spoon over the extra pesto onto the tops of the eggs, which will help to cook them. Whilst they are frying, spread some light butter on a slice of toasted sourdough bread before laying over the eggs and sprinkling over some crushed chili flakes. 10 out of 10 would recommend. Don't forget to like and follow. Enjoy!
Who knew that putting milk in scrambled eggs would cause people to be so upset? Seriously though, I am floored by the amount of hate comments I got on a ranch scrambled eggs post that I recently did. Calling me white trash, die, never cook again. Y'all are upset over eggs. I think you need to seek therapy. Meanwhile, I'm going to continue adding milk to my eggs. I also fold them when I cook them. I feel it makes them fluffier in the end because you're not stirring them to death. What side are you on? Milk in your scrambled eggs or no milk in your scrambled eggs?
Pickle powder next? Let's do it! To properly prepare pickle powder, place your pickles parallel on a dehydrator sheet. Dehydrate for 10 hours.
Snap test.
Grind it. And it's so flavorful. I'm adding a little bit to popcorn. Get creative, try it out, and what should I dehydrate next?
This chocolate mousse has 3 ingredients only. It's so delicious and silky and also incredibly easy to make. Start by blending silken tofu with a sweetener of choice. I use erythritol, but you can use any you like. Then melt some dark chocolate over a water bath and let it cool down. Now mix it with the silken tofu until fully incorporated. Pour into a small glass or container and leave in the fridge for at least 30 minutes. Top with raspberries, more chocolate, and enjoy. Tag someone who needs to see this and follow for more recipes.
You have to try these bite-sized loaded accordion potatoes. Starting with creamer potatoes, slice off the sides, then using skewers as your guide to not cut through, make 5 vertical cuts, flip, then 5 diagonal cuts. Combine seasoning with olive oil, then dip a skewer in and pierce your potato. Gently stretch out the potato, then brush on more oil. Cook your potatoes in an air fryer at 350 for 13 minutes. Remove, add shredded cheese, and then return to the air fryer for 1 additional minute. Garnish with sour cream, bacon, and chives. Enjoy!